Hi guys, welcome back to
Dancing in the Kitchen.
I'm Ashley.
And I'm Liz.
And you know that with this show, we like to focus on a theme and then share a few recipes with you that sort of comprise that theme, fall under that umbrella. And so we are talking about the concept of harm reduction. And Liz, I'm curious what comes to mind when I speak those words, harm reduction.
Well, when it comes to food, I would think ingredients and portion. Harm is overeating, it's indulging on things that have processed ingredients, it's overdoing it in every sense of the word. So I would say that incorporating healthy ingredients, maybe alternative ingredients for some of your same recipes would be a helpful do no harm food or recipe, or in this case for us, dessert.
Yes. So that's what we're focusing on with these next few recipes is harm reduction desserts. And harm reduction is a concept in mental health that instead of striving for perfection or being really all or nothing, like, teetotaling, we can never have any bite of sugar again. We just want to do better. Can we have healthier ingredients, like Liz said? Can we eat little yummy things a little less frequently, but really enjoy them and have them be really satisfying so that we feel fulfilled when we do have them and we're not craving in between or obsessing or being compulsive about wanting to overeat. And I know harm reduction really helped me and continues to help me with my mental health recovery, because it's really overwhelming and really frustrating when we set these standards of perfection that are really hard to meet, and we can just get worn out and be like, why even try, right? But if we just try to do a little bit better, and then the next day do a little bit better, and the next day do a little bit better, it's a lot more attainable. It helps our morale, it keeps us motivated, and I know that it's done that for me. Like, I don't have to be perfect, I just have to do my best and just keep aiming at a little bit better than I was the day before.
And I never like to restrict. So if I'm gonna eat something, I eat it and I have a few bites, which is like 20%, and then my husband eats the other 80%, and then there we go. And that's how I really maintain like all of my weight and everything that I have for the last 20 odd years. So
yeah, and I love how you're touching upon how important support is for maintaining our mood and mental health, like reaching out to others and asking for help where we need it. All right, well, let's get into it.
Woohoo! So our first recipe in our Do No Harm series is Buckwheat Cacao Brownies, my favorite.
Yeah, they're super good, super decadent. And as you can see, these brownies have just a few ingredients. So if you go to the store and you're getting like brownies off the shelf there's gonna be a bunch of stuff on the label that you're not gonna be able to read or pronounce. And when you're making anything, you want to use as close to real whole foods as possible. So we've got some dark chocolate baking chunks here, and you'll notice that they're 67% cacao. And we also have some pure cacao here that we use in the recipe. So what to think about when you're looking at chocolate is the more bitter, the better. So the darker you can get, the closer to like 100% cacao, the more antioxidants and the more health promoting effects that chocolate is gonna have. Liz, do you like chocolate?
I don't even know how to respond to that question. Yes, I am like literally the chocolate queen. I know I use that a lot in every single dessert segment that we do, but it really is truly true.
Yes.
So yes.
Well, and that's so fortunate because chocolate has so many mood and mental health promoting effects. It's full of antioxidants, it's anti-inflammatory. The things that get in the way are when they strip away all the cacao and they add a lot of artificial ingredients and a lot of not healthy fats and sugar and emulsifiers and all those things. But cacao itself is incredibly potent, and one of the compounds of the many that are part of cacao that are helpful for mental health is called anandamide or anandamide. It helps with anxiety and depression, and it actually comes from the Sanskrit word meaning bliss.
Ooh, love that. Isn't that nice? So you're giving me permission to continuously just eat chocolate, is what you're saying?
Well, we're going for harm reduction, so we can eat chocolate, but we should eat it in
moderation.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take it.
So
anyway,
a little bit here and there, and enjoy the health promoting benefits. So. A few other things to note about these brownies is that they don't include wheat or gluten.
Yes, saving my tummy at every turn. So it's very helpful.
Yeah, and what is one of the reasons that wheat specifically and gluten is so problematic in our American diet today?
I mean, well, the first thing that I think of is everything is pretty, well, in wheat's case, GMO, right?
Yeah, genetically modified.
Right.
Right, and so that changes the nature of the wheat, and it also means that they can put a lot of Roundup on the wheat, and Roundup is a weed killer. When foods are genetically modified, part of the reason they do that is because it makes it resistant to these herbicides like Roundup. And so the herbicide can get sprayed on the crops and it will kill all the weeds, but the wheat will remain. And so there actually have been all these studies done, and like they find traces of Roundup in breakfast cereals and breads and all kinds of products that are made with genetically modified wheat.
Yeah, no good. It's really bad.
It's really bad.
So these are all of our alternatives to help combat some of that.
So we use buckwheat.
Buckwheat.
Yeah, buckwheat is actually a seed. It's not a grain at all, and it's gluten-free.
Yes.
And a couple more things to note about these brownies are that while they are very high in cacao and they also have buckwheat and they're gluten-free, they do have grass-fed butter and they do have sugar. Now, I don't normally worry about fats, especially like healthy, health-promoting fats. I'm actually a big fan of grass-fed butter. I usually don't limit or worry about it. However, the thing to know is that when you combine fats with sugar, that's when you get that really inflammatory, you're getting into that dangerous territory. So again, moderation is key. All right, well, let's get cooking. So Liz, our song that we're featuring today is one of yours, correct?
It is. It's called Lose My Cool. That's what happens to me when I don't eat dessert. And it is a favorite of mine, is with one of my favorite co-writers and longtime collaborators, Heather Jeanette Miley, and produced by Steph Inlet. I love it, and yeah, I hope you like it too.
I'm excited. Let's dance.
And this is Luna.
Can you feel me when you're lonely? Feel the heat, look at me, need the weight of my body. Give me hot summer nights, some of that, yeah, out here like a fool, 'cause I'm all about you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Got me hesitating, I'm over here waiting. You know I'm not playing, no. Let's not overthink it, come over here, baby. I know you feel it too. There's just something about you, making me feel the way you do. You make me wanna lose my cool. I'm burning up thinking about you. You make me wanna lose my cool, yeah, you. Cool, yeah. We don't gotta complicate it. Keep it real, keep it chill while I'm up, your hands on me. Take a shot in the dark to the spark. I may lose my cool, but boy, only for you. Yeah. Got me hesitating, I'm over here waiting. You know I'm not playing, no. Let's not overthink it, come over here, baby. I know you feel it too. There's just something about you, making me feel the way you do. You make me wanna lose my cool. I'm burning up thinking about you. You make me wanna lose my.
Can you tell? It's all warm and gooey looking.
Chocolatey
Oh my god, it's my
goodness.
favorite.
Let's see if I can get one of these out. They're still warm, so they're a little crumbly.
But we can't wait, so sorry.
We're going for
This
it.
is what happens.
You make me wanna lose my cool. I'm burning up thinking about you.
Oh my gosh, those brownies.
So good.
So good. All right, well, stay tuned because we've got more decadent harm reduction desserts coming your way. Make sure to comment below and let us know if you liked those brownies.
Yes, and please like and subscribe, of course. And you can also buy us a coffee, right?
Because it helps support our show.
It does. And what goes better with brownies than coffee?
Coffee is so delicious. And you know what else? You can get a mug for your coffee
Ooh,
from our merch shop.
a dancing in the kitchen mug. Doesn't dance, but it does inspire you to dance. So.
That's right. Yeah, and so all of those links are below, and we will see you for our next segment in our harm reduction series.